So I was actually interested in plants from a very young age, though I can't say I was academically interested in them when I was a child. I liked to grow plants in my parents' backyard, grow plants, house plants on windowsills. I was always a outdoors sort of kid, growing plants, digging in the dirt, playing with bugs, but the academic interest didn't start until later. So I wasn't academically interested in plants until towards the end of my undergraduate degree. I got my degree in developmental biology and mostly took courses on animal systems. But I got the opportunity to join a plant lab, and I really enjoyed working in this plant lab, and I've been here ever since. Developmentally, plants are really interesting compared to animals because animals have a very deterministic developmental pathway. Every dog grows the same number of limbs, it grows a head, a tail, whatever. But plants have a much more plastic developmental trajectory. All the plants of the same species can have different numbers of leaves, different numbers of branches. They are different shapes, different structures, which means there's a lot more diversity to be studied in plant development than there is in animal development. As a PhD student, I really love discovery and tinkering. I love to go on the microscope and poke around at things and just discover something new. Just put something I have never put before under the microscope and just look at what it looks like. And just looking at, I just love the novelty that you see every day. In a typical day, I will definitely set up some experiments, grow some plants, because in order to work on plants, you need to have them growing for some amount of time. And then I will often take some plants to a microscopy center, and I will take some pictures of them under, of cells, of reporter lines, of various things. I might do some mechanical testing on them. And then in the afternoon, I often do data analysis. And so there's definitely a lot of sitting at a computer and crunching numbers, because without those numbers, we don't know what we know.